Hi, Skip here. Hey, this is the first of a series of 2-minute videos. I'm going to try to keep them around 2 minutes. This one is on the topic of network marketing and breaking it down a little bit. Just short segments so people can get a quick idea of what it's about, the overview. First of all, network marketing is all about building networks. A lot of questions that people have about the legality of network marketing, and it is absolutely legal as long as it is product centric. Products are the key. All the income generated has to first be from products. It's all product oriented. There have been opportunities come along over the years of multi-tier or multi-level marketing, which are legitimate terms, but in their less than legitimate forms are situations where people are promoting opportunity and looking to make money off of the opportunity as opposed to products. And that's just, it's self-defeating. The people that come in first make all the money, no one else does, and whatnot. It's basically illegal. Network marketing in its purest form is amazing because everybody in a particular network has an opportunity to do very well, build a strong business, and generate earnings off of those that they assist in the process. It's really an amazing thing. It covers any number of types of products. A lot of products in the health area, health products. Or one of the most common areas, but there's a lot of areas. I happen to work with one. You'll find information on my website about it here. It's called Legal Shield. It's a legal product. It covers bases for virtually anything anybody needs in terms of legal services. It's pretty cool stuff. So, not going to ramble on about it, but that's basically what network marketing is.